guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Karina and today I am so excited to be doing a Halloween outfits video for you guys. Halloween has got to be one of my favorite days during the year because it's the only day where a girl can dress like a slut and no other girl can say anything about it. Thumbs up if you know who that's from. So today I've put together some of my favorite looks. That is all. Favorite looks, what? And keep in mind that this is not going to be a scary Halloween lookbook, so if you're looking for something that's a little bit more gory or scary with like fake blood and like fangs and vampires and stuff like that, feel free to add it on to any of these outfits that you see. I'm just really here for the clothing portion, you know? Let's get started, shall we? One of my personal favorites from this Halloween haul, and that is a VSCO girl. If you haven't been living under a rock, I'm sure you know what a VSCO girl is, but just to recap, I have a checklist that goes down here as I walk you through the items that I'm wearing. So first, I'm wearing this oversized t-shirt that every VSCO girl should have. If you don't have an oversized t-shirt like this, feel free to borrow your boyfriends, your brothers, again, your dads. Make it super oversized. VSCO girls always wear shorts under their t-shirts, but because their t-shirts are so oversized, it often seems like they're not wearing anything under it. And I also found a pair of Crocs that I found at the dollar store for like $2. You can pair these with high white socks. Ideally, they're high white Nike socks. You can probably tell I didn't have any high white Nike socks in my closet, so I just went with like any kind of white sock that I have. And like they also like to carry around so many scrunchies with them. I don't know why, but here's all the scrunchies that I'm wearing. And also, we can't forget about the hydro flask that's covered with stickers. Oh my god. Oh, I can't take myself seriously after saying that. And you know what? It has to be covered with stickers, because if it's not covered with stickers, it is not personalized, and that's not a VSCO girl. Like, they also like to wear puka shell necklaces and puka shell bracelets. Don't ask me why. I don't know why. Maybe it's because they're related to the ocean and like turtles live in the ocean and like save the turtles. And let's not forget about the metal straws, because we had to save the turtles, and I also need to have some metal straws for you guys. Also an Instax camera, because I like to take pictures every 1 to 2 minutes of my life because everything is just so interesting. Who talks like that? Next one is actually also one of my favorites for Halloween, and that is the iconic classic bunny. So in case you're wondering what I'm wearing right now, this is the bunny costume that I have in the haul. So I'm just wearing this piece of bunny headgear, headband, bunny ears. Having these bunny ears makes for such a big difference when it comes to dressing up as a bunny, because once you have the ears, you can essentially wear anything that's black or anything in your closet that goes with it. And it doesn't have to be black, I'm just saying. In my case, I just threw together this black crop top that's pretty basic and pretty simple, and also this tutu skirt. And then we got my Gucci leggings. These are the Gucci leggings that I got last year. They were quite a splurge, but hey, what can I say? I love them. I just love them. I just love pattern leggings so much. And I'm just pairing it with my over-the-knee boots in black, but you don't have to go with that. You can go with any kind of black shoes that you have. This is my all-time favorite last-minute Halloween costume, because the only thing you really need is the bunny ears, and you can really get them at like any dollar store, any convenience store when it comes to Halloween. One of my favorite looks from the 90s is Cher from Clueless, and if you don't know who she is, I'm sorry, we can't be friends. Nah, I'm kidding, I still love you guys. But I also know that there's a bunch of you younger viewers out there, so yeah, let me know if you guys have seen it. So here I have a yellow plaid blazer and matching plaid skirt. All the pieces that I talked about in this video will be linked in the description box down below. So in the movie, Cher wears a white base, so I'm just wearing this white simple t-shirt. She also has a yellow cardigan over her t-shirt, but since I don't own a yellow cardigan, the closest thing I have to that is this yellow sweater, so I threw it on. Also, in one of the scenes of her in a classroom writing, you can actually see her using this pen with like a giant fur pom-pom on the end. And there you have it. That's my Cher outfit for Clueless. I feel like my false lashes are always like sweeping up against this veil, so I'm gonna lift it. One of Cher's most iconic quotes in the movie is her saying, "Oh, as if." So you can totally say that all night long while wearing this outfit. Next up, we have a pretty iconic costume piece for Halloween, and that is the angel costume. And with that, I got myself these giant wings. Oh my god, they are the best thing I've ever purchased. I think they're just like cardboard with like feathers attached to them, and it really just comes like a backpack. You can just like put these over your arms, and then just like you're wearing wings instead of a backpack. Once you basically have the wings, you don't really need anything else, because because the wings are such a statement piece. So if you own a white top, a white dress, a white skirt, a white anything, basically, it would really go with the wings. So in my case, I just pulled out this bodysuit that I have in my closet. So this is a bodysuit that's lace, and this actually reminds me of Ariana in her latest video, Don't Call Me Angel. Don't call me angel, you ain't got me right. And I just paired it with this lacy skirt that I have in my closet, along with some beige OTKs because I don't have any white OTKs. I also wanted a white choker, but I didn't have one at home, so I kind of just like took a piece of white ribbon and I cut it and I just kind of like tied it around my neck as a choker. For those of you girls who like to really sexy it up during Halloween, this is also a great chance for you to sex it up. And one way to do that is just really to wear as little clothes as possible. So over here, I'm just keeping my same bodysuit on, but I'm not wearing any skirt to go with it. Instead, I'm going for long white socks. I don't know why, it's just a sex thing. Maybe it's a tradition, you tell me. As you can tell, these white stockings go so far up my leg. Like, I'm pretty sure I got them in the wrong size for them to be so high up. If you don't have a white bodysuit, you can also go for a white swimsuit. Can't forget about you Marvel fans out there. This one is supposed to be like a female Captain America costume. You dudes can do that, I can do it too, or better. This just comes with a crop top at the top, and what I found really interesting too was the bottom half of the costume. And as you can see, it's basically just a very extravagant piece of underwear. It's 90% polyester and 10% spandex, so you do have that flexibility there. It's not see-through at all, which is great because if you're gonna be wearing this outside as your underwear, you need it to be non-see-through. Also comes with a headband. I also like how these thigh rings and like all these other like rings that you can put along here are actually Velcro. So as you can see here, when I'm trying to put it around my waist the normal way using the Velcro, it's just way too big on me. You can just use fashion tape like I'm using here. It's literally just like glorified double-sided tape. I just tape it like I'm doing here. The thing I would say though about this costume was that I was kind of deceived by the picture again online. The model was holding a Captain America's shield in her hand and it wasn't included in this costume package. I was quite surprised because that is like one of the main features of Captain America if you ask me. But then when I went back and checked the website, in the description box in really small font, it does say that it doesn't come with the shield. But if you want to buy the shield, it's also available for purchase under the site. It's just not included in this particular package. So yeah, make sure you always check the description of what's included and what's not included in the Halloween costume. I don't know if you guys know Girl Generation. They had a music video called Genie, and I actually think this costume is molded after the music video came out because it looks identical. So you have a crop top here on the inside, which I wouldn't even call a top, I would just call like a bra. The shorts, it's actually super high-waisted and I love the quality of this, guys. Like, it's not the super flimsy material that you find on most Halloween costumes. This is actually like cotton. Like pretty good. And then what pulls it together is the jacket. So it's rimmed with like these gold detail trims as well as gold buttons. It's very cropped, but it looks exactly like Girl Generation's costume when they were singing Genie. What would you call this? Would you call this like a sailor costume? Or like a captain? Someone who works on a boat? I'm not too sure. Or like a K-pop costume. But don't be fooled by the picture you see on the website because the model is actually wearing a hat and matching boots, which did not come with the set that I got. I'm just wearing my beige OTKs, but you can go with whatever you have. I'm also such a huge fan of Gossip Girl. Honestly, it is such a classic, and like the first season was really good, and then like towards the end it got like kind of eh. But I keep finding myself referring back to the show because they've got really nice outfit ideas. Here's my outfit inspired by BLAIR. Wearing the simple white dress shirt that most of you already have lying around in your closet, but this dress shirt comes with a ribbon like this around the collar, and what you can do is you can just tie it into like a bow tie here, which I think gives that really schoolgirl varsity vibe. So I'm adding a plaid skirt because what is a school uniform without a plaid skirt, guys? Seriously. They also wear knee-high socks. So these are actually thigh-high socks. They go way above your knees. I didn't have any knee-high black socks, so I just went for these. And I'm just pairing it with my white Converse because that's the closest thing to a school shoe that I have. That's white. And to give you some kind of flexibility and an idea of how you can just turn one outfit into like one character to another, I'm using the same pieces here for Serena, inspired by the picture here. So in this picture, Serena definitely has got that bad girl vibe going about her. So I pulled out my shirt so it's not tucked in anymore, and instead of having the bow tie around my neck, I replaced it with a tie. And if you don't happen to have a black tie for yourself, you can just borrow it from your dad, from your brother, from your boyfriend. And I also ditched the knee-high socks and I went with black booties instead because it just makes me feel more badass. And the next idea I have is actually inspired by Barbie. So yeah, like the doll, Barbie. So I picked up this two-piece set. It's like electric bubblegum pop princess pink, and I just thought it was the perfect outfit to play someone like Barbie. You don't have to get this exact set. If you have anything that is like, you know, Barbie pink in your closet, it would totally work for Barbie. When you think of Barbie, you just really think of pink. For me, I kind of wanted to be like Barbie, but make it fashion. So I just went with a pearl bag and some white sandals, but you can totally like use your creativity for this one. Okay guys, I hope you guys like this Halloween haul. Do you guys usually go out for Halloween, or do you kind of like just stay home and watch movies like I do? Anyways, I love you all. I'll see you in my next proper video. Bye, I love you.